me one.
Go ahead.
Hi folks, Happy New Year again. This is Dan, and I just wanted to make some things clear so that all artists and all musicians understand that seeing and hearing are one and the same. Alright, so here we go. Honey, if you want to get going with the camera over here, that would be helpful. Thank you. Now, let me turn this so that we can see it. Let's see if we can actually see it. Yes, it looks like we can. Now, here we have 4.05. Here we have 8.1. Now, that's really, this number is double that, and that is our limiting function, if you want to call it that, for what we actually see. We can see less than 1 octave, but we can hear more than 12 octaves. So down here, 4.05, we could say 405 with 9 zeros after it, 810 with 9 zeros after that, and now we take 1.0594632, multiply or divide by x, whatever number that is, between these two, and what we come up with is a number. Whatever that number is the color that you're actually seeing. This is about color in sight. That's what that's about. It's the same equation. We can also say we hear 12 octaves of sound. 20 hertz over here, 20,000 hertz over here. Same number, 1.0594632, which is our a musical standard. But you can make this number anything you want. But you multiply or divide by whatever number you want and go up or down. But that has to be between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz for sound. And it's real important to zero in on what I'm doing. Yeah, there we go. 20,000 hertz here, 20 hertz at the bottom. So we're going from here up to here. And then we multiply or divide by x. And this is music sound. Now, here are my calculations that for the key of F sharp, that is red, that is 430 trillion hertz. G is red orange, which is 455 trillion hertz. G sharp is orange, which is 480 trillion hertz. A is orange yellow, which is 510 trillion hertz. You can move on through the scale. A B flat would be 540 trillion hertz in color, and is the color yellow, is the key of B flat. 570 trillion hertz is yellow-green, which is the key of B, and 6 trillion hertz is the key of, the color green, which is the key of C. 640 trillion hertz then becomes green-blue, which is the key of D flat. Not that we can't go in between those, but those are the basics. And now, 680 trillion hertz is blue, which is the key of D. 720 trillion hertz is a blue-violet, which is the key of E flat. Yes, I agree with that, as a synesthete. And now, 766 trillion hertz is violet, which is the key of E. Now, we can go back to the key of F, ultraviolet or infrared, as you can see. Now, 4.05 or 8.1 are our limits. And we can't see this and we can't see that, but we can see that the 7.66 is available as the key of violet. We could also go back to the first page of F sharp, which is 430 trillion hertz, and not 410 trillion hertz, 4.05 trillion hertz, or 405 trillion. Okay, with the, as I said, you always have to put a zero. It's always 9 zeros after the third number in trillions of hertz. And always remember that 1 is an electromagnetic vibration. That is color, and we only see 1 octave of that. And you can see that here in this equation. And, well, we don't even see 1 octave. We see less than that in color. That's why color is easy to recognize. Pitch is less easy to recognize, because we can hear from 20 to 20,000 hertz, which means that it is easier to recognize color than pitch. And recognizing pitch along with color, dedicated to Chris, of course, is, this is how that works. And we have to integrate between two different numbers there, and it's a simple multiplication in this function that I have. And your function will be equivalent to whatever it is you multiply or divide by, whether it be hertz or trillions of hertz. However, don't hurt yourself because we've been talking about that. Okay, folks, take care. See me at musicyoda.com, musicyoda.com. Also, see me at Facebook, and you know how to reach me there, so it's no problem. But the musicyoda.com is my YouTube channel, and the musicyoda.com would be my, my website. Okay,
Right.
Thank you, folks, and we'll see you next time. Have a Happy New Year.
Happy
And
New
unless
Year.
I get another request, then there we go. Okay, Chris, I hope that helps you in a more technical sense of what it is we experience with color and sound, because there's an exactness to it. It is not just sort of dreaming things up. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Happy New Year again, people.
Oh yeah, that's right. Happy New Year. Okay, I'm getting rid of this.
Okay.
I don't need it because I
Bye.
know it. Okay, bye-bye.